Ditch the plastic and embrace the digital age. Let's get you set up with Mint Mobile's Esim. First things first, make sure your phone is Esim compatible. Check Mint Mobile's website for the complete list of devices if you have your phone ready and have already purchased your Mint Mobile plan. Let's start. Find your activation code provided either in your confirmation email or your Mint Mobile account or by scanning a QR code. Okay, ready to activate on your phone? Go to your settings app, tap on cellular on iPhones or connections, then SIM card manager on most Androids. The names can vary slightly depending on your device. Now, look for the option to add cellular plan or add Esim on iPhones. Select add cellular plan on Android devices. Select add mobile plan, then it will ask you for information regarding your Esim. You will now be asked to either scan the QR code by holding it up to your camera or manually enter the activation details found with your SIM card. A pop-up may ask you to download cellular plan. Once scanned or entered, your phone will connect to Mint Mobile and start verifying the plan. You may be required to assign a label, like Mint Mobile Work, just to keep things organized later. After a moment, you should receive a notification confirming that your Esim plan is activated. From here you can edit the settings for cellular data usage, turn on your data roaming for international roaming, and configure your default line for calls and texts. Restart your phone. You've done it. You're officially connected to Mint Mobile using your Esim. Congratulations. Enjoy your Mint Mobile service.